In this video, I'm going to show you how to use voice chat in Roblox. This method should work whether you're using a computer, laptop, or a handheld device. I would advise using a PC or laptop as it's much easier. The first thing we need to do is open up Roblox, and in the top right, there'll be a cogwheel. You click that and then click Settings. Now, there are two things that we need to do. The first one is that we need to add a phone number. So you just need to click Add Phone. Fill in your phone number here. You will have to complete two-factor authentication. So you'll receive a code via your email address, and then you will receive a code via your phone number. And then once you do both of those codes, that will be then verified. The next thing that you might have to do, not 100%, but you might have to do is to click the Verify My Age button. And depending on how old you are, this will be either super easy and simple, or you might not be able to do it. But essentially, you will need some kind of ID or proof of age. Now, if you've done all these already, what we need to do is head over to Privacy and Content Restrictions on the left, then click on Content Maturity. Now, we have to have these on either moderate or restricted. Otherwise, even if you've done everything, voice chat won't work anyway. And to be able to click restricted, you will need to verify that you are 17 or older. Once you have done all of these things, if you head back over to Privacy and Content Restrictions and then click on the Communication tab, once you've done all of that, you will have a Voice Chat tab here where you'll be able to change your voice chat settings. That's all there is to it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.